Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. So welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to unbox Soundcore Motion Q. So let's get started. If you see here, it's a very small box. It has some great features, which is a 360 sound, boosted bass. It is waterproof, and as per the Anker, which they told me that it has up to 10 hours of battery life. And it has, like, if you have two motion cues, you can have pairing. And as per the accessories, they have USB cable. It's not USB type C, which I am pretty disappointed, as well as the wrist strap. So let's unbox it. So this is, I guess, yeah, this is the size of the speaker. It's very small, and it's a small speaker, and you can see it is made up of I guess clothing, and it's very good. This is the top. This is the power button, the volume up and down the top, Bluetooth and the boosted bass button. And this is where you can charge, and you can put that USB 2.0. I am very disappointed that they have provided 2.0. I was expecting 3.0 or USB type C due to the fast charging, and that's it. And this is a small box, and in this we have some, like, this is a USB cable which is provided by that. This is if you're happy or not. I can make the request, which is I'm not happy. I will definitely make sure I will respond to that. This is the booklet. So this is a little unboxing, and I will definitely compare it with my other speakers which I have, which is the JBL Pulse 2. If you can see the size, it's quite big compared to Motion Q, and it has two subwoofers. So I will definitely test the sound, as well as I will check the waterproofing level as well. So in the next segment you will see the sound test as well as the waterproofing test.
Well, next up is a sound test between Soundcore Motion Q versus JBL Pulse 2. Both of the speakers will be on 50% volume, so let's check it out. As you can hear, the sound of Soundcore Motion Q is much louder than JBL Pulse 2, as well as Soundcore Motion Q has dual speakers, one in the front, another is in the back. So that makes it more louder and more clearer than JBL Pulse 2. Although JBL Pulse 2 has two subwoofers, still it cannot beat Soundcore Motion Q. Next up is a waterproofing test of Soundcore Motion Q. So let's check it out as well. I hope you like the comparison of Soundcore Motion Q as well as JBL Pulse 2. It's a very small speaker, but it's very powerful, very sturdy. It's a little heavy. Same weight as JBL Pulse 2. It has less bass than JBL Pulse 2, as JBL Pulse 2 has two small subwoofers. The clarity of sound is there. It's very clear, it's very loud compared to JBL Pulse 2. The battery timing is 8.5 hours. As per the claim by Anker, they said it's 10 hours, but I'm getting 8.5 hours. The charging time is around 3 hours, but it will play for more than 8 hours if you're playing like 1 hour or 2 hours. Apart from that, As you can see the test, the 50% sound of this speaker is much louder than JBL Pulse 2. JBL Pulse 2 lags when you play the heavy bass song. The sound will little toned down. In the waterproofing test, when I was going for the waterproofing test, I threw this baby in the pool and everybody was shocked what I am doing, even if I am crazy or what. Then I removed it from the pool and wait for 1 minute, keep the song played, and then you can see the video there. The sound was clear, little buff, but it was clear, and after like 10 minutes it was so clear. For the build quality is strong, it's stiff, it's little heavy, the battery is good, the sound is clear. It's not good for if you are going for a long drive. It's not good for the car because the sound of the car will make it little, lower than compared to the car speakers. It's good for camping, it's good for if you're in a small gathering, it's good for a small room if you are watching a movie on a TV or an iPad. It's very good for that. It's good for if you are, let's say, doing pool, or if you're in a gym, you want to play a song in your speakers, then this is very good. Yeah, I'm happy with it, and thank you so much, Anker, for providing me this review piece and allow me to review this product for them. And currently Anker is offering 30% off. So if you want to plan to buy any Anker product, you can purchase it with 30% off. Again, it's only 30 and less than 30 bucks. So maybe around 100 dirhams. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel. I'm making 2 more reviews of the products which I received. So I hope you like the video. So allow me to go. Thank you so much. Take care.